Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you what my lazy day in the life looks like as a woman with locks. To be honest, not every day is a day that I feel like doing my hair or even taking care of my hair. But in order to do the things that I do on a daily basis, I have to keep a level of self-care. So I want to show you what that looks like, and comment down below your least favorite part of your morning routine. So on a typical day, as soon as the sun is up, I get up. And one of the first things that I realize is, yet again, my headscarf has come off my head and my hair is unprotected. As usual, it just never fails. Now I know I should by now have a hair bonnet, but I'm just the type of girl that likes to sleep free without anything constricting me. And all it takes is that first trip to the bathroom to realize
my life is in shambles. Like, sis, what have you been doing? Is this what your life has come to?
So now I'm trying to figure out, what should I do with my hair? Should I wash it? Does it need to be moisturized? What does it need? Most days it does need to be washed. And some days I don't feel like it, feels like a lot of work. Other days I cave in. So now I'm starting to brush my hair, making sure that all of the lint and anything that's on top of my hair is brushed off before I then begin to wash my hair. You guys know exactly why I do this, but if you don't, I will include a video link so that you can go ahead and check out that video. You guys know that most of my lock journey has been plagued with buildup, so I'm trying my best to keep away from even the risk of having it in the first place. So now that I'm ready to wash my hair, I'm going to grab this shampoo that I've been loving lately, and it is the OGX Tea Tree Mint Shampoo. I love the fact that it includes two key oils that I love in my routine so that my hair is moisturized while I'm washing it. And just for a little boost of self-care, I love listening to podcasts as I wash my hair, just so that I can keep entertained. Now, normally I like to section my hair before getting into the shower, but the truth of the matter is I don't always do that because some days I am lazy. So I make sure nonetheless to part my hair straight back so that my scalp can get the direct contact with the shampoo, and the shampoo does its work in cleansing my scalp and my hair at the same time. Now, I'm a little skeptical of different products. However, I did step out and try this OGX Tea Tree Mint shampoo, and I absolutely love it. First of all, it lathers so quickly and easily, and it has like that light hint of the tea tree and peppermint smell that just makes me feel so much more clean and like it's really doing its work in my hair. It gives a little tingle as well. I really love that about this shampoo. Now, please excuse me while I rinse my hair for hours.
3 hours later.
Now that I'm all done, I want to go ahead and freshen up. So I start off by brushing my teeth, obviously, right? And now lately, my skincare routine has completely gone natural, as I am now using the Shana's Natural Creations, which is an all-natural, cruelty-free skincare brand that includes some of the most natural ingredients like grapeseed oil, aloe vera juice, tea tree, jojoba oil, green tea extract, lavender, and so much more. Now, starting with the Aloe face wash, it is a gentle cleanser. However, it is thick enough that it will last you for a long period of time. If you're a natural girl and you love natural ingredients, you don't like too many of the sulfates that leave your face dry, then this is perfect for you. Not only does it cleanse your face, but it also leaves it feeling refreshed and moisturized. After lightly drying my face with my towel, I'm ready for step 2, which is using the green tea facial moisturizer. I love the fact that this moisturizer does not have a heavy scent that just turns you off. I'm someone who's very sensitive to smells, and just the wrong scent will have me with a headache for the rest of the day. So this one is a thick formula. Just a little bit goes a long way. It melts right into my skin and it just feels so soothing, especially for the fact that this product includes aloe vera and green tea. Now, my most favorite part of my skincare routine is using this facial serum. I've never used a serum. I've always wanted to. Now I have one for myself and it is completely natural, including ingredients like avocado oil, hemp seed oil, and sea buckthorn oil, leaving my face dewy and so moisturized. Now back to this hair. It is almost dry and it feels so good. I mean, it looks great, it looks clean, and best of all, it smells so good. The shampoo leaves just a hint of peppermint smell and certainly doesn't dry out my hair like other shampoos do. But just to make sure that my hair is moisturized and maintains the moisture, I go ahead and use my oil blend. This is a blend of different oils like avocado oil, peppermint, tea tree oil, and other oils that I have mixed into a bottle. Now I'm just taking my time and making sure that the oils are evenly dispersed throughout my entire head so that all of my locks receive the same level of moisture. I have to say that using the OGX shampoo really helped me in this step, which is applying the oils to my hair, because of the fact that my hair is moisturized, it has slip, it's not dry. So putting the oils through my hair was really easy and effortless. There was one shampoo in particular that I used in the past that actually left my hair feeling really dry, and it was so difficult for me to continue with my moisturizing routine right after washing my hair. But this OGX Tea Tree Mint Shampoo allowed me to run my hands through my hair without effort, without it feeling stuck, without my hair feeling dry and crispy. My hair is feeling nice and moisturized, refreshed, and manageable enough to work the oils through my hair. I'm so happy with how my hair has progressed past the time that I was struggling with buildup like crazy until this very moment right now, as I have been consistently using these products and have seen the buildup leave my hair little by little. So I'm so happy that I took the time to take care of myself. These new products that I've been using have helped me to maintain moisturized, glowy skin and clean hair. And ladies, if you have a man in your life that's very special and he has a beard or you want him to grow a beard, Shauna K Natural Creations also makes beard oil that my husband has been using and enjoying. If you want any links to the products that I've used, check out my description box down below. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for many more and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!